In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with Apple Pay on your iPhone 8. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over all of the steps needed for you to set up and use Apple Pay. You will be able to attach various different payment methods to your wallet and use it in conjunction with the Apple Pay service. You will be able to make purchases online or contactlessly in store. So first, set up Apple Pay. Go into the wallet application, which should be installed by default on any iPhone model, and then tap the plus sign. This will give you all of the options of cards that can be added into the Apple Wallet. So from that list, choose credit or debit card. Now follow the on-screen instructions. You will be able to either scan the card with your camera, which automatically fills out some of the information needed, or you can manually input whatever you prefer. Once the card has been added, you will have to verify it, and once all of that process is done and you see the card listed under your Apple Wallet, you will be able to make a payment. So now you can activate Apple Pay by double-clicking the home button. Alternatively, just proceed to checkout on any store, maybe on the App Store itself, and whenever you choose to make a purchase, you will be able to pay with Apple Pay. If you are physically in store and you double clicked the home button, you simply have to physically place your iPhone near the contactless card reader. Upon doing this, you will be able to pay using that card that you selected. If you are making a digital purchase, then you just have to approve with Touch ID, Face ID, or any of the verification methods available. And with this done, the card that you selected from your wallet will be used and the payment will go through. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish and add various different payment methods. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Apple Pay iPhone 8. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.